So part two, I just want to show y'all what it does. That fuel injection cleaning solvent, what it's doing is cleaning out the fuel injector. So what this does is it's spraying out fuel injector cleaning into your intake system, and once it reaches the intake system, that solution gets into your injectors, and it acts as if it's fuel, but what it's doing is cleaning out the bad particles, the debris, the old carbon, and everything that's built up that you don't want on your fuel injectors. So it's a pretty good solution. I recommend it highly. It saves yourself gas, it gives you a higher mileage, and it definitely helps you at the pump. So I recommend getting this. It's pretty simple. Get yourself a can, and again, like I say, all you got to do is find yourself a vacuum line. Once you find yourself that vacuum line, your car will try to stall when you remove that vacuum line, but you just want to quickly just, put the FIC kit in place of the vacuum line and allow it to flush into the system, like so. So I'll remove this and I'll show you slightly how it's just flowing in through the vacuum line. But again, you gotta allow it to not move, because if you allow this nozzle to come off of the vacuum tip, it will stall out the engine, and the engine will shut off, and you have to restart the engine, and you just don't want to do it. You want to have a fresh flush, and this is how you do it. I'm just show you guys how that fluid rushes out of there. Gonna let it flow through there, just like so. Because once all of this gets in there, what you want to do is you want to go around to the engine and rev it up. So we're gonna give this all we got. Let it run out. See it running out. Normally you don't have to sit here and babysit and hold it like this, but in this case, this is a weird spot for a vacuum, and it's not keeping the hose from the FIC can to the intake vacuum sturdy, so I'm holding it myself. If I let it go, it'll just fall off, and you don't want FIC solution flying everywhere. But this is the basics of how you do that. So if you want to save yourself some fuel injectors, increase your lifespan on your fuel injectors, or give yourself better fuel economy, this is what you're looking at doing. At least that 100,000 miles that you put on the injector. I do, but nah, I ain't got no light on though. So you want to do that just like that. Allow it to inject into the system. Still flushing out. Still flushing out. And this is step one. Flush out. Any more left in there? Any more left in there? take that vacuum line and reconnect it. Remove that. Come around to the engine. Come inside. Now you want to rev it up to about 2,500 RPM to clear out and finish allowing the system to clean. So now we're just going to basically burn it all out and rev it up at 2,500 RPMs, and that's how we're going to burn it out. Sometimes you can go a little higher, maybe 3,000 RPMs. Let it idle a little bit, raise it back up to 2,500. You'll start to smell it. Sometimes you'll see even a white cloud of smoke coming out your exhaust. If you do, that's what you want to see. If you don't be alarmed that it's not working. Just means that you pretty much are ahead of the game on cleaning out your injectors. You may smell the carbon, but if you don't see that smoke, but 9 times out of 10 you're going to see a big cloud of smoke flying out your exhaust. Don't let that scare you off. That's letting you know that the fuel injection cleaning is working. So don't be alarmed by that. So finish revving that baby up, and that's pretty much all you do. You just want to rev it up for about 3 to 5 minutes to clear out all the carbon, clear out all the gunk that you cleaned out, and that's pretty much it. And that's how you use a fuel injection cleaning solution on your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment at Tech Figure Out. TFO gang, I'm out.